Right, I'm going to make a simple sign which I'm going to texture and make a IGS file ready to export into RailWorks. First I need to add the texture. So go to Material Properties, click New, Base Color, Image Texture, Open. I need to go to F Drive, Steam Apps, Common, RailWorks, Source folder, Clutter, Signs, Textures. I'm putting a PNG file in which is size 512 by 512. It has to be a power of 2. Let's have a look. Yep, that's gone in there. Right, so now we're going to go to the UV editing and unwrap it. So right, now we've got the texture on there. I'm going to go to IGS options and add a shader. So back to Material Properties, IGS options, add a text shader by default. I'm going to change that to text, and under there I'm going to link the texture, which is beware.png. That's now linked. Then go to Scene Properties, and export selected, so press A to select, click on there, press A to select all, go to export, click visible children, unclick hierarchy processing. Now I need to link the texture file in here, so click on there, go in F Drive, Program Files, Steam Apps, Common, RailWorks, Source, Rider, Product, Scenery, Clutter, Signs, Textures. Get rid of this, otherwise it will say Textures twice. Textures. Accept. So that should be correct there. Yeah, that's correct there. Now we need to rename it to a name that RailWorks will understand. I'll call it Beware. Enter. Right. Let's try exporting it. I'll export it to F Drive, Program Files, Steam Apps, Common, RailWorks, Source, Provider, Product, Scenery, Clutter, Signs, Export IGS, Info, IGS, export time 5 seconds, IGS file successful. So what I was doing wrong before, in the properties, Material Properties tab, where you put in a shader, I was using train light map with diffuse.x, and if you try and export it with that, let's try again, if you try and export it with that, it comes up with missing image file and material 001 in texture slot. So I was using the wrong shader. Thank you.